Looks like Auschwitz.
Like in his office, there's
Jim.
four, but in that one long thing.
Is Jonathan here? We could have him stand up next to
Jim,
him.
what is the most? Yeah, get one of the kids up here. Get Sean.
Sean, just stand by the door so we can see how.
So your mom can put on camera.
Open it up again so that the snow doesn't.
What?
Go down, Pat, on a knee. Pat,
You
on
open
a
the
knee.
door. All right, go ahead, open the door.
Jim's been saying.
We agree. We've established the best
Wow.
value plan for all our receivers.
All right.
But the convenience of not.
Now get out there.
Go out and shovel that
Let's
patio.
take Kevin out on the other
It'll
side.
be $80.
Tunnel is way through the snow.
It'll be June before that melts.
His little face.
Probably is so. Where you gonna look, Mom, and all it.
There we go. They're calling it the blizzard of the century. It's our Eagles paraphernalia there. We're in our Eagles party. We shoveled a path and it's gone. Yourself, okay? I'll stop.
This matchup here, you know, we talked about before the game where Emmett Smith said that.
What's your name, little boy?
As these front guys go, well.
Jonathan.
Who are you rooting for today, little boy? Who are you rooting for?
And to me, that is the
Eagles or Cowboys?
Cowboys and make them go to that.
John, say Eagles. Say Eagles.
This guy down 10 yards. I've never seen that before.
Bailey.
He had his guy, he took his guy and
Who are you rooting for?
You.
Sean?
Eagles. I'm just kidding, Eagles.
now watch, here's Big Dave right here. Now he has his
We
guy.
got our Eagles. What are they? Crumpets? Crumpets?
There's six, there's
Our Carvel cake? Our chocolate chip cookies?
Mom, let us see that.
And the Eagles are still getting
his
whipped.
guy is 12 yards deep. Now you're talking about
Hey, Jim. Robbie wants to talk to you.
Who's winning?
Cowboys.
Green Bay. It's Saturday.
And there's a blizzard outside. We may never get home. We may live with the Styles forever. There's Christina. She hasn't quit eating since she came through the door. Bailey, don't touch it.
Yeah.
Dive into it, Bailey. Bailey, dive into it.
Is that a bag of ice?
Bailey, close
Yeah,
the
just
door.
run and jump, Bailey. Just go run and jump.
I just had a measure that pulled together. It's 39 inches. See right here, John. Over here, John. Where Bailey's telling you. Right here.
It's 39 inches.
Stop, Kevin.
Cab.
Don't touch it.
Kevin, there's stuff right over there.
That is amazing. We'll have to pull this out during the summer.
They're leaving. They made it down the driveway pretty well. Yeah. Like that.